You refuse, you refuse, you refuse to lose me. You refuse to lose me. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. We are back with another video. This particular video, we'll be doing an energy boosting smoothie. This smoothie consists of pineapple, strawberry. Keep in mind that these are fresh fruit. I just prepped them the other day. I did a video, probably 2 videos down on that. And so I used my pre-smoothie prep bags and I put together some pineapples. And these pineapples are from fresh pineapples. I cut them into little chunks like if you was to buy them at the store. No, enough to my liking because only you know what you want your smoothie to taste like. I myself prefer to taste more of the pineapple. So I didn't do too much strawberry. After that, I decided that what did I want to use for liquid purposes. A lot of times I use water. Most times I used water. And so I said, you know what, being that I am in a season where I don't drink sugar-free drinks as much as I used to. I don't drink sodas. If I do, it is a ginger ale and it is sugar-free and all that stuff is not included. You got sugar-free and zero sugar, and all that in the soda if I decide to have one. You don't have those things. And I decided to go with apple juice because apple juice is like one of my go-to drinks. And so I'm going to use a little bit of turmeric, just a dab or two, depends on you. Turmeric is very good for boosting your metabolism. However, don't overdo it. I also have the Black& Decker blender. Wasn't that costly, but I went with this one because they do have a smoothie setting. Most blenders don't have a smoothie setting, but you can still make a smoothie. And so I'm going to blend it until it's just the way that I like it. And I kind of got a kick out of it because I blend and blend and blend and blend, but when I was done, it was perfect. So you blend it according to how you like your smoothie. I have me some of the smoothie straws. Like, I am in the season where for the most part, I fast up until noon. Because, a lot of times we get up and we gotta hurry up and have these heavy meals, and then we go for a day when all these big meals, and you have to really give your stomach time to not work overtime, if you will. And so I made this smoothie. It was delicious. I encourage you guys to try it. I think strawberry and pineapple is one of my go-to smoothies. Again, you blend it according to how you feel you want your smoothie. I like mine pretty thick. Again, I did use sugar-free apple juice as well. So we have sugar-free apple juice, organic, strawberries, and pineapples. Again, it's up to you and your pocket how you chose to get, to purchase your fruit. But yeah, I think I did pretty good. Again, I enjoyed this smoothie and I encourage you guys to try it. Turmeric, again, is an energy booster as well as many other things. And I will be doing other videos letting you know what else it's good for. So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to the channel. Listen, love on those that love on you. And enjoy your day. Listen, we don't have to rush. We get out the bed. You're tired to go to work. You don't even want to get out the bed because you want to rest all day, so forth and so on. But you jump up and you have all these no good foods and put into your system. And so how about just trying something different? Again, for me, I fast until noon. And I think that helps me to train my body to not always be hungry. Because, yeah, you can have a taste for something to eat. You can, want to eat right away or whatever the case. But I realized that when training yourself to not eat before noon, it gives you a chance to really decide what it is you want to eat, right? Like for me, I said, this is pretty healthy. So you already know that I didn't eat all day or I didn't eat this morning, but I'm going to have something at noon and it's going to be something healthy. Now it's up to you what you want to do for lunch or dinner or whatever the case. For the most part, I will probably, well, we'll talk about in another video. But again, I think that a smoothie is a great way to start the day. I don't think that fasting till noon is a bad thing. In fact, I realize if I go forth heavy in the morning and eat, guess what? I'm hungry again by noon, right? So no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to keep putting stuff into my system just because I'm thinking I should be eating. Oh, I should be eating that one. Oh, I should be eating that so and so. However, dinner wise, I do not eat past 12. And I've been kind of slacking with the holiday, and that's not no excuse, so I'm kind of pissed about that. But we're gonna get right back to it. That's all, and that's it. And so, again, this is the Black and Decker. It has a smoothie setting, and this blender, guys, was under $40. Believe it or not. At our special place, Walmart, I'm gonna pour it into my glass. I'm gonna get back into taking my fine glasses out of the cabinet and enjoying my smoothie every day at noon. Different flavors will be coming. Again, this is your normal, regular pineapple, strawberry, and turmeric with sugar-free apple juice. Y'all be blessed. Hit the like button, peace.